So I'm just finished my treatment here at Heva Clinic. This is day 2. I had the procedure done yesterday. The whole process was completely pain-free, so well organised, from being collected at the airport, dropped to the hotel. The hotel was lovely. Collection the next day and brought to the clinic. And all the staff were so friendly, couldn't have been more helpful. And then had a nice sleep last night, nice rest, no pain at all today. Everything looks great, really happy and really excited to see what the finished product will look like. So that's it all done, and I want to say big thanks to Heva Clinic and looking forward to the results. So I had a hair transplant done 2 years ago. Really happy with the hairline, but the density just wasn't there. It wasn't as thick and natural looking as I would have liked. So I came back to Heva and they really, I can tell the amount of grafts that they put in, that the final result is going to be amazing. They put a lot of grafts in and I know it's going to look great and really natural. The reason I came to Heva this time was, obviously of course I've done a lot of research on it, so any reviews online and stuff. I have friends that have come here as well that have used the same service and have really recommended the results. Very professional. Everything is done basically the way you want it, and like I said, from start to finish the whole process was just so easy. As a patient there was no issues, no trouble. Everything was there for you when you needed it and can't fault it at all. So of course, coming from an English speaking country and not having any Turkish language, they provide a patient coordinator who is fluent in English, who is with you throughout the whole day, texting you, letting you know your pickup times, and is constant contact with you during, before, and even they recommend after that if you have any issues, feel free to contact them, text them if you have any questions. They're always there, which is an amazing service to get. So just a big thanks to all at the Heva Clinic. Can't wait to see the results. See you again soon.